Sahih Al-Bukhari 3996, narrated Anas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Abu Zaid radiallahu ta'ala anhu died and did not leave any offspring, and he was one of the Badr warriors. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3997, narrated Ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, Abu Sayyid bin Malik al-Khudri radiallahu ta'ala anhu returned from a journey, and his family offered him some meat of sacrifice offered at Eid al-Adha. On that he said, I will not eat it. Before asking whether it is allowed, he went to his maternal brother Qatada bin Naiman radiallahu ta'ala anhu, who was one of the Badr warriors, and asked him about it. Qatada radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, after your departure an order was issued by the Prophet sallallaho, alaihi wasallam, cancelling the prohibition of eating sacrifices after 3 days. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.